Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me yet, I'm Krisha Parekh, and for those of you who do, well then that's great. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the different weird beauty hacks which I saw on the internet and which I found really crazy and dumb. So I'm going to be trying it and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so for this hack we'll be needing a glass. Basically we need a short glass, but then since I don't have a short glass, I'm gonna be using a normal glass with a small circumference. And this hack is basically to get like puckered lips, wherein you have to like take a glass and then put it around your mouth and then suck the air for a minute, and when you remove it, like your lips will be all pumped up. Actually I don't trust this hack because अगर ये hack काम करता तो फिर लोगों को सर्जरी वो सब करवाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती, बस 1 मिनट ये करके मतलब मस्त से लिप्स मिल जाते. बट लेट्स सी, शायद 1% काम कर जाए, you never know. So I have my glass here and I'm gonna be doing it. And guys please मेरा मजाक मत उड़ाना. I can already feel it कि मैं बहुत stupid लगने वाली हूँ ये करते हुए. But let's just go. कैसा लग रहा है यार.
Few moments later.
Okay guys, so I've done it for a minute and the only change that I can see is that there's this mark of this glass over here, but that's it. My lips are not puckered, my lips are not pumped up, they are the same. So all I can say is that this hack is an epic fail. Okay guys, so the next hack is the one where you use a tissue paper to remove the frizziness from your hair. Now this is a hack that I feel it could work on temporary basis, but I really am not that sure. So as you can see that one of my sides is like less frizzy than the other one. This one's like more frizzy. So I'm gonna be trying it on this part of my hair and let's just see if it actually works. I have my tissue paper right here and I'm gonna take a strand of my hair, wrap it around the tissue, and then I think it's making my hair more frizzy.
What?
I mean, but maybe for my hair it's making it more frizzy than it actually was. I mean, look at it. I think this one's also epic fail. Okay guys, so this next hack is also pretty insane, where you use, if you have like pale lips, then you have to basically use a curler on your lips and then they'll like magically turn pink. Now I really don't believe this hack and I hope I don't hurt myself. Let's get started. पहली बात तो मेरे होठ नहीं आ रहा है इसमें. How do you fix your lips in this?
One eternity later.
Okay guys, I think I'm done, and as usual I really don't think that there's any change. I mean, they look the same color, they're not pink, they're not all highlighty. So I guess that this hack is also epic fail. Okay guys, so this next hack is where you can like color your hair at home, basically highlight your hair at home without using any hair color or hair dye or anything. I mean, I've already colored my hair with dye. But then this one's like by using the makeup products. So you'll need a concealer and you have to just take one strand of hair, put the concealer on it. So disgusting. So disgusting. Yuck. I mean, how can people even come up with things like this? So disgusting. So now, like, once you're done, I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna be using the pink in it because it's like the brightest, so I assume it's gonna be same. And this one actually really works, that is. So I'm gonna put, can't even really, I'd rather just go out and get myself a dye rather than doing this. It's not even that prominent. It's all white.
Few moments later.
Okay, so guys, after a really long time, this is the best that I could come up with, and I think it looks so bad. Like, it's all gooey and it's all disgusting. Like, nobody would want to touch it also. So I'd like strictly recommend, do not like try this at home and do not go outside with this. So disgusting. This one's a really big fail. Guys, so this next hack is basically a life hack wherein there are like situations where we actually paint our nails and then we can't really do anything until they dry off. I'll be trying it, but I'm not gonna be like repainting my nails because I just painted them like today morning and I don't feel like redoing it. So I'm just gonna be putting a top coat over it and then dipping it in cold water to see if this one actually works. So now I'm gonna be painting them. Now I'm gonna be dipping it. It's really cold. Oof. The water is cold. So cold. So cold.
Few moments later.
I think that's enough. So cold. Whoa! Okay guys, now for some reason my top coat and my nail polish is not coming off. I think this hack works because it does come off on my thumb but it's not coming off on all the other fingers. So guys, this hack works. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And stay tuned. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.